Hello, proposal professionals and enthusiasts. Welcome back to Baachu Scribble. Today, we have some exciting news for those looking to enhance their skills and advance in their careers. Get ready for our live 2-day APMP Practitioner workshops happening in March. Let's jump into the details. If you're ready to take your skills to the next level, mark your calendars for these live workshop events scheduled across various regions in this March. Here are the workshop dates for March. March 13th, 14th, USA and Canada. March 15th, 16th, UK and Europe. March 18th, 19th, India and Middle East. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to delve into the 5 key competency areas that make a true APMP practitioner: research and management, sales orientation, planning and management, and development and behavior and attitude. Throughout the program, I'll be your trainer, guiding you through practical exercises, discussions, and even a 100-question practice test in the classic format. It's an interactive learning experience that goes beyond theory, allowing you to apply your knowledge in a real-world context. But wait, the learning doesn't start on the workshop day. Before the event, make sure you've completed our online training, covering APMP's syllabus with a specific focus on the most critical chapters in each competency area. We'll provide links for each day, along with a downloadable PDF version of the course workbook to aid your preparation. And here's an added bonus: exclusive access to our award-winning APMP Practitioner online program featuring 45+ topics, individual mentoring, and a treasure trove of valuable resources to bolster your learning journey. If these dates don't align with your schedule, worry not. Check out our monthly APMP live workshop schedule for the entire year in the description below. The opportunity to elevate your proposal management skills is just a click away. Don't miss the chance to be a part of our APMP Practitioner workshops. Secure your spot today, and let's make March the month you level up your proposal expertise. Subscribe and hit that notification bell for more career-boosting content. Until next time, see you at the workshop.